Hey guys, so today I've got a quick one. It's a 2008 Ford Escape. It's got a intermittent no start issue. So the customer has already replaced the battery. They think it's a faulty starter. So what happens is all the lights come on, but it does not start. Sometimes it does, sometimes it does not. So they brought it to me to replace the starter. But I ran into this issue before multiple times. So before you replace the starter or pay to replace the starter, always try one thing. Put the key in the ignition, push it inside harder, and then try to turn. So inside, push it, and then start it. See, start it right up. Same thing. No start, no start. You push it, start it right up. So the problem is a worn out ignition housing inside the steering column. It's not a very hard repair to do. You just got to pull out the steering column and everything. That's the piece between the ignition lock cylinder and the ignition switch. A lot of times if you buy an aftermarket one, it does come with a ignition switch assembly too. So this is the piece right over here. Ignition lock cylinder housing. Comes with the electrical part of the ignition switch. Right over here. All right, easy as that.